Okay, greetings. I forgot to finish this problem because I was in a hurry. I'm kind of glad I didn't finish it because I was in a hurry to go on to the next one. But so we've got this problem, and I wanted to know what's its final velocity, not its final velocity in the y direction, but what's its overall final velocity. So let's finish this up real quick, and then I'll send it on to. So in this in that problem where it's 10 meters per second. So 0, 3 meters in the air. This is y initial, y final. This is v naught in the x direction. And it came down and bang. So it's going to hit at an angle, right? So if we go ahead and draw our coordinate axis, we're going to see that this is going to be the final velocity. We already know that the x component is going to be 10 meters per second this way. And we calculated earlier that the y component is negative 6.76. So this is v naught x, and negative 7.67 meters per second is equal to v final in the y direction. So the overall final velocity and the magnitude in its direction, the final velocity, the magnitude of it, is going to be 10 squared plus negative 6.67 squared. And take the square root of the whole thing, which equals, on my calculator, I mean it, I have to be careful. I have to be very, very careful. Gosh, dang it. Work. So we got second square root of 100. I know how to do that. Plus, and I'm going to go play it, say 7.67 squared, because I know that's negative 7.67 squared is going to come out to be, and like I said earlier, I need to do it this way. So it looks like that. 12.6. So the magnitude is 12.6. Yeah, 12.6 meters per second. And the direction then is the inverse tangent of Vy, negative 7.67 over 10. Now, here's what I do with these types of problems. All right, so I want you to pay attention. We know that this vector is in here. So I just go ahead and I do my thing. I just do it this way. I keep it positive, and then I tell you in words where it is. Because I think if I put negative 7 point, I'm going to wind up, it'll be an okay answer. It'll also be correct. So I want to make sure that we do that first. So we get negative 7.67 divided by 10, close. Negative 37 degrees. This equals negative 37 degrees, which means we're going this way. So that makes sense. So that's a correct answer. But look what happens if I put in the positive. Inverse tangent of 7.67 divided by 10. I get positive 37.48 degrees. Now, if you did this, that would be correct. That's fine. If this one came out to be positive, this one came out to be negative 37.48 degrees. This is also correct because I know what you mean. But if you come up with the positive, make sure you say below the positive x-axis. All right, I just forgot to do that for you. Now I'm going to do a couple more of these, and so I'm going to send you like three homework problems, or 2 more homework problems. But I wanted to make sure that we got that one finished. I got to get all these little notes off my thing. All right, good.